Did all of y'all see this new pink Pixel? Wow, this thing looks amazing. Now, not only the design, y'all know I love this design, but that is pink as hell. That's like a Pepto-Bismol pink, right? Now, there was a video, and I'm going to show you a video so you can see what it looks like in all angles. Now, I edited the video because there was a YouTuber that copyright struck me when the release of these new Pixel 8s came out. There was a video just like this. And I was like, whoa, I found it on Instagram. Or no, I don't know. I found it somewhere. And I put it as a YouTube short. I uploaded it as a short because it was like a 10, 15 second video like this one of the Pixel 8 Pro. And I'm like, oh crap, have y'all look at this? And it was like one of the first videos of it. And then maybe a month or two later, I got a copyright strike by another tech YouTuber for using, and he had copyright, or he technically owned the video, but it wasn't even him in the video. It was some guy like this in the Middle East. So I learned my lesson. So what I did, so they can't copyright strike me, is I edited the video. Now I got really good at this because I have an NFL channel, right? I have a NFL YouTube channel. I've gotten really good, really sneaky at editing videos, so I can't get any strikes or copyright infringements. But look at this. Now this is the regular Pixel 9, not the Pro. Not the Pro XL, not obviously the Fold. Now, how can you tell the difference, right? Very easy. For one thing, the size. Now, it doesn't look like it's that big. Remember, the 9 and the 9 Pro are going to be small. Pro XL, big. Pro, or Fold 2, whatever they call it, big, right? But, so this is on the smaller side, but the striking resemblance of how you can tell it is the basic 9 model is by the camera sensors. The Pixel 9 is only going to have 2 sensors in that little glass setup right there. So there's 2 sensors, as you can tell. The Pro XL, and the Fold 2 are all going to have 3 sensors on the back. But nonetheless, now here's a question. You know what? Let me show you the video. Let's look at the video first, and then we can discuss here. This came out of somewhere in the Middle East. I don't know where, don't know why. Now, the dude was talking in the original video. He was speaking Arabic. I took the volume out and added some background to it, right? So I don't get the copyright strike, but let's go. Let me turn this down. Absolutely beautiful looking device, right? Beautiful looking device. I hope it's coming through fairly okay on your end. It looks like it is. Beautiful device. Now, I'm not going to be getting this color, but I think it's good that they... Now, look, this is a far cry from... Now, look, I'm going to show you what the original pink looked like, right? Let me show you this. Watch this. So here is a picture of what the pink looks like before we got the video. You can tell on the left side, it looks very bland, right? I mean, it looks, it does not look bold. It looks bland, sort of faded pink, right? Kind of like it doesn't really stick out, doesn't really smack you in the face with the color. But it makes me wonder, right? It makes me wonder, you see that green? That's the same green as my S24 Ultra. That's the same green. Look, check this out. Let me remove this. It's the same green as this, right? Kind of faded green. It makes me wonder, are all the different colors that they're going to have, are they going to be as bold as that pink? Is it going to be as bright as that pink is going to be? So is this green going to be a bright neon green? I certainly hope not. I like the mint green. It's not that this S24 Ultra has. It's not in your face. It's kind of there. Look, everybody's different. I get it. But it just makes me wonder, are they going to have, are all the colors going to be this bold? Because that is a bright, bright pink. Very, very bright pink. That is a very bright pink. Now, this green is it going to be like a neon green? I have no idea, but time will tell, right? As we get closer to launch, you're going to continually see these leaks come out. Now, I'll get them. I'll bring them to y'all. Just tune in to our live stream and or catch our replay every day, and I guarantee you, we will bring you all the Pixel news as soon as I get it. So if you try to keep up with the news, but it's hard, look, I get it. People have lives, 9-to-5s, kids, wives, all sorts of stuff, right? But that's why we created this live stream. So you can tune in to us, 30, 45 minutes, you get all the tech news. And I promise you, we are hashtag Team Pixel. We are official members of the Pixel Superfans membership group. So we will bring you the latest Pixel news as soon as I get it. That's the benefits of watching this live stream, right? So besides the color, not much else has leaked, but we basically know what we got, right? Now, here's a little tidbit on some other Pixel news. Very interesting. So